Greetings! Welcome to ChatGenie. In our ongoing commitment to elevate your customers' shopping experience, we're thrilled to share a significant update with you. We're excited to announce that Ninjavan is now an official ChatGenie partner. This empowers you to give your customers the flexibility to choose Ninjavan as their preferred shipping courier. This includes options for cash on delivery and standard delivery services. To activate Ninjavan on your ChatGenie dashboard, follow these simple steps. First, go to chatgenie.ph/login/client to log in. On your dashboard, go to Shipping Manager. Click on the Standard Delivery by Ninjavan button. Please note that you can check the shipping rates by clicking the View Shipping Rate button. Fill in the contact and address information. Select a merchant category. Provide the name of the contact person and contact number of the person responsible for handing over the order to the rider. Fill in the address information. Enter pickup location. You can adjust the PIN to match your location correctly. Once done, click the Update Map PIN button. Select your preferred pickup time slot and input remarks if there are any. Click Submit. Setting up Cash on Delivery by Ninjavan. Go to the Payment Manager tab. Click on the COD by Ninjavan button. Your setup is complete. Customers can now select Ninjavan as their preferred shipping courier along with the convenience of cash on delivery payment handled by Ninjavan. Confirming orders via your ChatGenie dashboard. To initiate order confirmation, navigate to your dashboard, locate the Orders button, and select Order Tracker. Within the Pending Orders tab, you will find incoming orders awaiting confirmation. To proceed, simply click the Confirm Order button associated with the respective order. Generating waybills via your ChatGenie dashboard. Once the order has been confirmed, it will be transferred to the For Delivery tab. Within this section, you will find each order listed accompanied by a Print Waybill button. Click on this button to initiate the download of the corresponding waybill. Following the confirmation of the order and downloading the waybill, proceed to print the waybill. Prepare the customer's order. Once the preparation is complete, affix the printed waybill securely to the package. This ensures proper documentation and smooth handling during the delivery process. Wait for the designated rider to pick up the order during the preferred delivery time you have selected on the dashboard. Please note that you will receive email notifications regarding the pickup, sorting, and delivery of your customer's order. Your customers can effortlessly track the status of their orders via Messenger as they will automatically receive timely order notifications. After the order is picked up, the customer can anticipate receiving the package within 2 to 7 days, with the delivery time varying based on their location. Empowering customers with the choice in shipping and payment options personalizes the buying process, creating convenience and satisfaction, whether it's selecting the right shipping method or preferred payment mode. This flexibility strengthens the customer-business relationship. Discover more on our website and join our online community at chatgenie.ph for regular updates.